Hey there, this is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. I was doing some research in your area and I thought I'd shoot you the screencast to analyze your online presence. And if at the end of the video you'd like to learn more about Christy's Leads, please reach out via phone, email, or text. If not, no harm, no foul. Any comments on the video are greatly appreciated. So I'm going to go over a couple things today, a few things: content and keywords, then citations and map pack, and then backlinks and organic rank. So I'm going to start with the content on your front page. You guys look great. You have moving images here, really beautiful pictures here, nice font, everything's clickable, called phone to call, way to email you. Looks good. So we like to put about 1,500 words of content that's authoritative on our front page. It helps Google recognize what services you're trying to be found for, and within those 1,500 content words, we scatter in about 8 to 10 keywords that are highly searched and relevant to your niche, something like kitchen remodeler, Lehigh Valley, or designer, construction, Allentown, PA. Whatever kind of areas you want to service and whatever kind of services you want to do. You want Google to recognize as much as possible, make it as easy for them as possible to find you. So the next thing I'm going to talk about is the map pack and citations. So I just did remodeling companies, Allentown. I also did Lehigh Valley. I could have done a whole bunch of them, but I'll just go over what the map pack is. That's this group that is usually in the middle of a page. It's usually 3, sometimes 4. There is an ad in here, and you want to be at the top of the map pack without an ad. Being at the top of the map pack and the top organically underneath here gets 80% of the searches a month. In order to get to the top, you just have to beat out your competitor. So you have to have more citations than they do. A citation is your business name, address, and phone number appearing in online directories like Angie's, Yelp, Yellow Pages, things like that. And we just keep up with those and maintain them on a monthly basis to make sure no one is ahead of you. So underneath that are the organically ranking businesses. So Angie's, Home Advisor, they don't count because they're online directories. So the first one here for you guys, for your niche, is Kaler Construction. It's all the way at the bottom. So there's only one person taking that spot on the first page because there's so many ads and online directories. Not so many ads, but so many online directories. So you can rank above those online directories, but you definitely want to be in the top spot organically. In order to get there, you want to bring power and relevance to your site, and you do that by using backlinks. And I'll show you right here a tool we use called Aros. It gives us the number of backlinks you guys have. So you have 71 backlinks and 35 referring domains. A backlink is any other website that links back to you. It could be a blog about home remodeling. Someone mentions what work you did. They mention your website. It's clickable and it links back to you. That's the backlink. The blog is the referring domain. You definitely want to have high quality domains and high quantity. The better quality and quantity, the more Google recognizes you as relevant and the more power it's going to give you to bring you up to the top. So with those, you are ranking for 30 keywords and you're getting about 11 visits a month. So I'm going to show you what keywords are here. I'm going to go and show you one of your competitors, Real Deal Remodeling. This is their information, backlinks, referring domains, the keywords they're ranking for, and the traffic they're getting. So I'm going to pop up their keywords as well. Oh, what happened to you guys? Oh, here you are. Sorry, sometimes this is slow. So this gives us insight into this tool, Keywords Explorer, lets us know what are the most highly searched words for your niche, how hard are they, and what volume they are. Basement remodeling, Lehigh Valley, PA. Excellent keyword to be found for. It's very buyer intent. This is buyer intent because it's giving an actual location. We see how it's the same thing, just differently stated. 70, 70, 70 number of searches per month and 90. And you guys are in spot 17, 17, 20, 22 for remodeling companies, Lehigh Valley. You want to be in spots 1 through 3 because your website isn't being found by people who are searching for this. So this is what we would do. We would get those words. I mean, these 0 value is easy to rank for, meaning it doesn't cost as much. Some of the higher KD ones, I mean, they go all the way up to 100. Some of the higher ones are more to rank for. But we could take a further look at that. But those are the words you want to be on spots 1 through 3 for. 1, 2, or 3. And here's some skylight installation for Real Deal, spot 6, 100 keywords. That's what he does. Lehigh Valley kitchen remodeling, spot 7. It's above yours, but it's still probably on the second page, which isn't doing him any good. After you get past like spot 9, you're for sure on the second or third page. And it really, not a lot of people go there. So I hope the video was helpful. If you'd like to learn anything more about how Christie's Leads can build your business, please reach out via phone, email, or text. We'd love to hear from you. If not, no harm, no foul. Thanks for listening. Have a great day.